A warm welcome to all of you on this utterly glorious day. Positive vibes all around us, nigh on perfect conditions. There is a thrilling football match in prospect here, and we will be getting underway very shortly. Well, there is here a great sense of expectation, as to universal contentment, the Emirates embraces Arsenal once more. Well, if you did just miss it, we are up and running already. It's, of course, round two between these two. I wonder what we expect this time. José Sá gets it away. And here's Messi. Jimenez. Messi. Oh, this looks sharp. And they're not going to make any further progress now.
Well, it seems as if the message has been issued by both managers: don't concede the opener.
And it's Messi. Messi was alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless. Skillfully cut out, he is so at ease on the ball. Matheus Cunha. It's a pretty loose pass. Gonçalo Guedes. Fagioli cuts it out. Son Heung-min. No, that's been intercepted. And he was quick to react. Just more than 15 minutes till half-time. In the end, they found themselves penned in, nowhere to go.
Have beautifully policed that midfield. The opposition have been handcuffed.
Well, the defence just about came out on top, but they were certainly tested. Shot could great hit! There it is!
Yeah, they've only got themselves to blame. Mistakes in those areas are very punishable.
The goal scorer after 35 minutes is...
So the first goal of the game.
Yeah, and just as the manager's been reminding his players, this is the time where they can't afford to let their focus slip.
Messi, and the finish! And he hits the net! And the lead lost no time at all!
Well, if ever you want to see a lesson in responding to a deficit, that's it. Their heads didn't drop, and now their chins are up.
Oh, high-quality goal, lovely first touch, sumptuous second.
Yeah, the right touch in moments like that is key to what follows. Oh, very neat and tidy.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Oh, I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal and just got caught napping.
Gonçalo Guedes. Robertson. He's having a hit! Arsenal with their first corner, the first in the game for either side, actually. There's the shot!
Has been indicated.
And he's there to belt it away. Now it's Gonçalo Guedes. Aït-Nouri. And that is going to be the final action of the first half. Arsenal head back in at the break after a first half that has been, from a scoreline point of view in any case, an even one. Both sides have contributed in equal measure, neither looking overly under pressure from the other. And at the break, glass half full, half empty. It's 1-1. Some first half thoughts?
Look, this match promised goals, and it certainly hasn't let us down. It's been really, really entertaining.
So in they come for the break with nothing to separate them. The score 1-1. So we're straight back at it at the start of the second half.
Arsenal are probably feeling relatively good about themselves, so I don't think the manager has seen anything to change in his half-time team talk.
And it's Jimenez. Messi. Decent hit! Oh, that is rather wayward.
Oh, I'm not sure what he had in mind, and I don't think he knew either.
Jimenez. Now it's Messi. That is a brilliant interception.
Really has the confidence and skill to be able to hold the ball up like that until support arrives a little sooner, and just maybe there he overdid it slightly and should have released it because the support was arriving quickly.
Well, that had the makings of something quite promising, but it's fizzled out into nothing. Nelson Semedo. It's good pressure, good intensity.
Well, the quicker you cut out the service, the sooner you isolate his threat.
Can he finish? Goal! Arsenal! They've done it! It was coming! They have their reward!
Well, there's always a chance of being caught like that when you surrender the football.
Mikel Oyarzabal, his fourth top scorer in the league. Well, this is what we've been waiting for.
Yeah, for me, this team seems to find it easier to attack than defend, but now they're going to need to dig in at the back a bit.
And that's put paid to a promising move. Oh, that's a key interception. Mikel Oyarzabal. And it's Messi. And here's Messi. Shapes to shoot! And here's Messi. And Messi!
They may end up with some regret with this tactic, but you have to admire their commitment to goals.
Gonzalo Guedes. Valverde spots it and intercepts. Jimenez. And here's Messi. This might spell... And the shot! Oh, it's always... And it's come back out to him. Oh, taken with style. And this is getting better and better. Some heroic goalkeeping, but even that couldn't save them this time.
Well, that's not the best attempt by the keeper, and he's just paid the ultimate price, hasn't he?
So time for change, and this one has been on the cards for a little while.
Well, to wait until now to make this change seems a bit baffling. He's expecting the miraculous to turn this around from here.
Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat.
Well, that's pretty much sealed it now, and surely, Peter, we're not going to see any complacency after that.
There will be 3 minutes at a time.
Fourth official showing that there will be 3 minutes of added time. And that's it. They are pumped. Boy, they're pumped. A tough win earned through the power of will. And this place is bouncing. Jimenez, voted man of the match, and deservedly so.
And another fantastic win for the boys
Well,
today.
from behind, Jim,
Thank
that
you
is
very
some
much
win,
for your
isn't it?
support.
They've taken advantage of some complacency, Peter, but if you're offered a chance to do that, then you've got to be ready to pounce.
So before we go, many thanks to Jim Beglin for his input, and from us both, good afternoon.